Let's start with the truth. This isn't dysfunction, it's design. The chaos, the lies, the nonstop outrage, it's not an accident. The GOP follows a repeatable, weaponized playbook to confuse, control, and destabilize. They don't want you informed, they want you exhausted. Once you see the pattern, you can name it, stop it, and break it. Here's the trick. Confusion isn't a side effect, it's the strategy. When you hear lie after lie after lie, the truth starts to feel powerless. That's the goal. Make people believe everyone lies so no one gets held accountable. Turn debate into noise, turn facts into opinions, turn democracy into a farce. Every playbook starts with a spark, a wildfire, a protest, a migrant caravan. The GOP races to define the story before the facts come in. They always insert a wedge: DEI, race, gender, elites, the border. The goal? Bypass reason, trigger emotion, and weaponize the moment for political gain. Once outrage is sparked, they pick the villain. Democrats, immigrants, LGBTQ people, scientists. Doesn't matter if it makes sense, just make someone the target. Blame woke policies even if the cause is unrelated. The goal isn't truth, it's resentment. Get people angry, not informed. Now it's time to amplify. Right-wing media spreads the narrative. Influencers put a personal spin on it. Bots create artificial volume. The same talking points show up on X, Fox, Facebook. Repetition builds the illusion of consensus. Suddenly the lie feels like the truth because you've seen it everywhere. Here's where the media falls into the trap. Reporters chase conflict, not clarity. They frame the lie as a question: is it true DEI caused the crash? And now in a part of the national conversation. Even fact checks arrive too late. Just repeating the lie gives it oxygen. The goal isn't clarity, it's control. Now the GOP's lie becomes the frame, and Democrats get stuck explaining. Complex, boring facts can't compete with a juicy lie. While the right launches the next outrage, the left is still trying to respond to the last one. It's not a debate, it's an asymmetric information war. But they don't stop at one lie. They flood the system. Dozens of stories hit all at once. Fact checkers can't keep up. The public can't tell what's real. That's not chaos, it's collapse. Collapse of trust, collapse of attention, collapse of truth itself. When the dust settles, people don't know what to believe. So they believe nothing. They all lie. This is the endgame: civic disengagement. When facts are optional and lies go viral, the public tunes out, and the GOP wins by default. Once people are disoriented, the next step is to attack the referees. Journalists become fake news, scientists are smeared, judges are called partisans, teachers become indoctrinators. Anyone who challenges the narrative is discredited. And that's how you replace truth with loyalty and democracy with authoritarianism. When caught, they don't apologize. They play the victim. I'm being censored. The media is out to get me. They blame the system, then pivot to a brand new lie. No accountability, just constant motion. This isn't political debate, it's a shell game. And it's not just politics, it's profit. Outrage sells, lies drive ratings, fear fuels donations. Conspiracies turn into merchandise, podcasts, newsletters, influencers, and empires. The bigger the lie, the more viral the reward. This is a business model, and it's working. They follow a playbook. Now we do too. The first step is seeing the pattern. The second is pre-bunking the lies, calling them out before they take hold. The third is naming their tactics loud and clear. Because this isn't just about politics, it's about truth, about democracy, and about whether we let them get away with it. You now hold the disinformation playbook. Study it, share it, against the liars who built it.